I'm gonna be taking down this side first because I'm gonna purchase and install it in pieces so that it does not become overwhelming for me. If I bought the entire thing that I designed, it would be overwhelming for me to tackle. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I know I haven't uploaded anything in over a year, but I've been very busy and I took a mental break and I had a lot going on. Like at this point, I don't even live in Texas anymore. I have moved to a new state, which I will not be disclosing. And I basically have been working on my house. If you have been following me on Instagram before, you would see that I've been uploading a lot to like reels to do with how I've been designing my home and all the things that make it feel like home to me. So it's been quite an exciting year. I just didn't have the mental strength or capacity to include YouTube uploading in that as well. But I'm here to catch you up and to restart my journey on YouTube with a new focus on interior design, as well as still a focus on like luxury goods, luxury travel, and all those fun stuff. But interior design has always been something I loved, and I'm finally in a place where I can practice my interior design on a daily basis. So this series I'm uploading right now will be a series about all the things I'm doing throughout the week for interior design and also for fashion or whatever else is going on in my life, but mainly a focus on interior design. And I'll be uploading every Sunday. So for now, until I get to a place where I can have more content to put on YouTube, I will only be doing weekly videos on Sundays. So I'm right now filming for my new office. I've been here in this house for almost a year. It'll be a year in April. It was my first new build and I'm super excited to finally be doing more in-depth videos with you guys here on YouTube because reels are great. Ooh, it's hot. Because reels are great, but they're very short snippets of all the design thinking and critical thinking that I do to come up with the best ways to execute a design. So that's where I'm currently at, and it's exciting. So the following clips, I'll be walking you through like what I did during the week and the improvements I made. If you don't already follow me on Instagram or TikTok, my Instagram and TikTok name is Styled by Natasha. My YouTube will still remain Natasha because I still intend to do everything else I was doing before with an addition of interior design. I may decide to change it to Style by Natasha at some point, but right now it is still Natasha because it is about all aspects of my life. The lighting is great, but it's making me hot. But anyway, all right, you guys, here's 2 weekly Sunday videos so you can watch my videos as part of your relaxation Sundays. I'll try to have them uploaded every time by 6 p.m. on Sundays. Thank you so much. Enjoy. I've been so tired and I'm trying to actually start filming a lot more for interior design. So I'm just gonna start taking you through my different thought processes and we'll go from there. Today I am exhausted, so I don't feel like having my shades up, but that's one of my favorite features in my house is the shades. I have some items I'm gonna use in the guest bathroom. I'm really big on hosting my guests well, and I don't even have this in my personal bathroom, but I haven't figured out what to do with that. But this is definitely going in the guest bathroom, and I will have guests next week, or in 2 weeks, so I'm pretty excited about that. I will share that next. I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning. I think I have a little bit of dust on here. I'm gonna clean everything out and mount the shelf there. Put a frame on the photo, which I'm excited about. I bought this like set of hanging hardware, which I'm also almost through because I've hung quite a bit of art in my house. So I'm gonna try to figure out which one would best fit there. I can buy this for like $10 at Home Depot think it's much better than using like the nail strips for everything. Go straight. What do you guys think? Yeah. This is probably the worst part of installing bathroom hardware because this part takes forever. And there's nothing you can do to hurry it along. There's no power drill that I can use. I mean, maybe there is, but I'm not buying parts just for this piece. I love how it looks so far. Like, the toilet is not centered, but I believe this is, and that's all I'm gonna focus on. And I kind of didn't want it like right up under this, like too close to the toilet for obvious reasons. But what did you think, you guys? It looks so good. Now I can put all the fun stuff, the stuff I really wanted to get to. But first I'm gonna clean this. Okay, so I ordered these faux peonies. But don't you know, these were not cheap. These were like $30-something. But I wanted a very small vase of flowers that looked very realistic. But look, they're completely off center. So I don't have the energy to do returns on none of that shit. So I'm just gonna make them face this way. The next piece is this tray that I am putting some face towels. And I guess not only is it good for their use, but it is, oh, and it is dirty. Is this a return? Oh yeah, I did buy it. This is one thing I do sometimes, like I will buy Amazon warehouse items because it's a lot cheaper. Next piece are the actual cloths that I bought. They're just baby washcloths. I'm gonna add this. And add this, so people have two options. Put this here. It's gonna be very cute contrast. So put this here. I think it fits pretty perfectly, you guys. All right, so it's better to just take them off while it's on there, so you know that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna turn it off so you guys can see. I hope it's more sensitive than that. Like, you know, just stepping into the bathroom actually turns it on. I'll test it a few times, but I love it. It looks so good. And now my shades are closing. The bathroom looks good. I lit the candle just to get some more of that vibe. And in my office, it looks really good. It's Saturday night. It's pretty much been raining all day. And now I have the urge to install this up there. Yeah, up there. I'm not gonna use a measuring technique or whatever. I'm just gonna try to aim for the middle of this. And maybe like not too far up. So let's get into it. Let's see how quickly I can get this done. Oh, okay. This camera's dirty. Okay. I think it looks pretty good. I think I should maybe turn it down so it's facing the artwork. Yeah, oh, perfect. Because I don't need to feel blinded walking down the hallway. So I'm so excited. Like this whole hallway is gonna be full of art. This is one of my first pieces. Very happy about it. Got it from a yard sale for $5 because I went to the guy, right, to buy another piece that I have in my guest bedroom for 25, and he was like, oh, if you give me $5 more, and surprisingly I had the $5. That's the $5 I had left in cash. He's like, if you give me $5 more, I'll give you another piece. And this is the piece I chose. This is the piece I got, sorry, from him. So it's pretty exciting. I just have to keep them dusted, but the frame alone is probably like $200. So this was a fantastic find. All right, so this is the current state of my closet. Yes, I know it's very builder grade, whatever metal, Rubbermaid look this is. I'm not a fan. As someone who loves interior design, I also love fashion, and I have really come into my own personal style in the last couple of years. And this does not give me a great canvas to work with. So I am redoing all of this with the IKEA pack system, and I'm super excited. So the way I had this divided currently was like all my like loungewear, workout wear is in this middle section. And then I have like all my stuff that can fit clothing wise on this side of my closet. And then like many other people, I have this whole section in my closet of items I can't fit currently. So yeah, I have quite a bit in here. I have taken the time to make a full list of what I want to include in my closet. I want to keep it under 100 items, and some of these things I will keep because they were quite expensive. Like this Kenzo dress was expensive, and I got this when I was in Las Vegas. I have this dress I got from Neiman Marcus a long time ago. This one wasn't expensive, but I never got to wear it, so I want to keep it. See how cheap it was? It was like $29 from like, I don't know, how much was it before? I think like $200 initially. Yeah, like $198 initially. And then I have like some shirts here, a Saint Laurent shirt I got from the outlet. It just says Laurent on here. No, actually it says Lulu. And this was like from $400 to $89. I paid $89. I have some pretty good pieces on this side that don't fit and I intend to keep, and I have included on my list. I intend to come out with a journal for you guys to figure out what your capsule, which I don't like the word capsule because after really researching into it, I found out that capsule closet means like super small closet, like 40 items, but I want to have 100 because I think that's more realistic and gives me more flexibility. And if I have to go over 100, I'll also consider why, and I'll allow myself to do that if it's actually for items I'm going to be using. So these are the shoes I have, and in the 100 items, that'll also include my pairs of shoes. And I'm super excited to be working on this closet. I will be doing that starting next week. So what did you guys think? It's a pretty interesting week, huh? Next week, I have more things coming up. I'm actually starting my closet next week. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And I will be uploading the process of me putting together my IKEA closet and also making it semi-custom. And I'm super excited about that journey. So follow me for more interior design luxury stuff. Okay. Thanks, you guys. Bye.